Making some money online right now, it is very easy, guys. It is easy job to do, so hit that subscribe button right now and I'm gonna show you everything. Let's go. Wherever you live in this world, you can get money just like these people are doing. A lot of people are satisfied and you're gonna be one of them. Crazy amounts for just tapping on a keyboard, you can get it as well. Of course, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. Nothing complicated here, just money. First of all, I want you to connect to this website, which is called rototype.com, and this is gonna help you write faster and write more accurately. And of course, they will give you one certificate, guys, and with that certificate, you can just get more money. A lot of money. Trust me, guys, this is the perfect thing. You will just here refine your typing skills and you will get more money with the help of these guys. And they're gonna do one thing. They will gonna help you. Make yourself an account that's gonna be quick. And now, once you log in, you will have to type these typing tutors, typing test, and then you will get this, guys. You will get your certificate, which is gonna get you more money. You can see that I type at 47 words per minute. That's okay, but you can do better. The faster you type, the more money you're gonna get. So let's go and do it. Next on, we have to visit rev.com. This is a nice website. Works anywhere on the planet. A lot of money can be made, so go and scroll all the way down to the bottom, guys, and click on this beautiful button, Become a Freelancer, guys. It's gonna redirect you here where you can earn money by transcribing, captioning, or subtitling. So you just use your keyboard. Very simple job, guys. You will get paid weekly. PayPal money we like. And just take a look at this, guys. 0.30 to 1.10 per audio video minute, guys. And there are even these foreign languages, so if you know any language, you can get money like that as well. And just take a look at this. 1.1 times 60 minutes, guys. You can get $66 in 1 hour. That's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money for typing. And if you do that for 4 hours per day, let's say $260. 260 bucks. Now that's a lot of money, guys. And all you have to do is you have to listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, label speakers, and you are transcriptionist. And if you know any foreign language, guys, just click on here. Just look at these rates, guys. Even more rates for this one. Click on learn more. And then you can see that you can become a subtitle with Rev. You can work when you want and you can get 950 bucks per month. 950 bucks. That's some nice money, guys. And you can see that you can just apply. You will just choose your work, get paid via PayPal. And just take a look at these minimum pay rates per minute, guys. So if any of these languages sound familiar to you, you can just use it. If you know Hindi, 1.7 per minute. 1.7 per minute times 60 minutes in an hour, 100 bucks per hour. That's cool. And just take a look at rev.com on Trustpilot, 4.4 out of 5. A lot of satisfied customers here, nice comments. And just take a look at this. Everything was top notch. Always impressed, consistently reliable. Thank you. I freaking love Rev. Well, I freaking love it too. Just take a look at these rates, guys. If you know, for example, Japanese, well, you are a rich guy. Thank you, Rev. I'm not a Japanese, but I wish I was. And this Rototype is gonna help you, guys. It's gonna help you because these people at rev.com, they don't know you. But when they see that you have a certificate from Rototype, guys, they will give you more work. That's exactly how it goes, guys. Of course, you will work when you want, wherever you want. But of course, guys, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy, and we continue. The next website gives you 2.2 thousand per month, and it's also Transcription Jobs. Here you also have some expert training. So go to transcribeme.com, click on these jobs, and here click on Get Started. And here you will just create a new account. It's gonna be pretty easy, nothing complicated here, guys, but here you can see that you have all these languages, guys. So if your language is on this list here, you can make money by just transcribing from that language, okay? So if you know Swedish, whatever, guys, Italiano, whatever, just use it. Of course, you have to select your payment mode, account, email, PayPal, here, country, wherever you live, and then just no need to look for work. It comes to you. Transcribe wherever and whenever, work as much or as little as you like. We're gonna work a little bit of a time and we're gonna get that money because Transcribe Me is awesome. Just take a look at this, guys. Top monthly earnings at $2.2 thousand per month. The more you work, the more you get. So go and make yourself an account here, guys. It's gonna be pretty easy. You'll get a lot of jobs because this website pays very, very good money, guys. You have to use this one wherever you live, guys. But now I have to show you one more, which is gonna get you a bit less money than Transcribe Me. But on this website, there are even more jobs. You can see that on this website, you also have online proofreading jobs. You can get paid a lot of money for that. You have some language translation as well. You have content writing jobs. You, of course, have these online typing jobs. And just take a look at this, guys. Online paid survey jobs. You can get from $5 to $75 per hour. And all you have to do is to click with your mouse. So let's say you do one survey per hour and you get, I don't know, like $60, guys, times maybe 4 hours in a day. Now that's $240 per day. $240 per day, guys. That's just some free money. In fact, that's a lot of money. When you look at it, online paid survey jobs gives you $240 each day. If you do this for 25 days in a month, let's look at this. $6,000. Now, how cool is that? And you just have to do these surveys, guys. It's awesome, guys. It's awesome opportunity. But of course, Untitled Jobs, we are here for that. And you can see that these guys differentiate. So you can be level beginner, you can be intermediate, you can be professional and expert as well. But how do we get that expert level? Well, with the help of Rototype, guys, it's gonna give us that certificate. We're gonna present that certificate to the people on talentdesire.com, and they're gonna give us those expert rates. That's how easy it is, guys. You will be an expert right away and you will get this fee for word price. Now you can see that the requirements here are basic knowledge of internet and English, and you can see minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. But I suggest that you take at least 50 and go for even higher, guys. Of course, registration is absolutely free. Just click on apply now, scroll a bit down, and you have this application form. Click on that, then you can choose online application form, offline application form. Choose this one, it is better, and just go and fill in your details to apply and work with us. And then it is pretty much self-explanatory, some simple information about yourself. You can just choose whichever country you come from. You can just term this, make yourself a new account, and start getting this money. Start getting this money with typing jobs. But of course, you can do these online paid survey jobs as well. As we were able to see, guys, a lot of money is here as well. So you can just go and involve yourself. Short surveys, mid surveys, long surveys, whatever you want. The requirements for this one are non-existent. Now I have one more suggestion for you, and you want to apply for this job as well. And these jobs are called online proofreading jobs, guys. And you don't have to work for this. You can just go and apply for these kind of jobs, and you can see that they pay good money for this as well. $700 per month, but you don't have to do nothing. Basically, you will just read. I mean, how cool can that be, guys? I mean, I wish I could do that in life. And what's cool about this, I have a tool for this. You can see the most proofreaders are paid based on production. So the more you work, the more you can earn, giving you more control over your paycheck. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna join on this online proofing jobs. We're just gonna apply. We're just gonna select an application form just like before, this online one, fill in your details. But look at this now. When you get the job, go to Grammarly, guys. Just type that in, go click on the first one, and now Grammarly is doing the work, guys, because when you get that file, you just paste it in here and it's gonna fix all of it, guys. It's gonna proofread all of it. You don't have to do nothing. Grammarly is free, of course. It's gonna fix everything. You just download that and then send it back to these guys over here on Talent Desire and get that money, guys. Earn that money online, involve yourself, invest your time, and I will catch you later.